Aloha, my name is Stephanie Schoening, and I am an artist here, or a student artist here at the Kroc Center. My family is from ʻEwa Plantation, my dad is from there, and my mom is from the town of Hilo, from the Big Island, Hawaii. I am from ʻEwa. I grew up there, and I am a student of the Kamehameha schools and a student from Leeward Community College, where I took some art. I am not at school anymore because I have health issues that have kept me from going back to school. I enjoy art at the Kroc Center because the talent that the teachers that we have inspire us, and we learn so much about different techniques, and it helps me to relax and not think about everything that's wrong with me. So this is a win-win for me. This piece that I finished here at the Kroc on Tuesday night is my sister-in-law's backyard, which is Kaneohe Bay. My brother-in-law and my husband were in the police department together, and they both rode motorcycles. My brother-in-law is now 80 years old, and he has some Alzheimer. So this was my inspiration because her children grew up with this view. And because everything is changing with our island, I wanted to go back and capture what they saw when they were growing up in the same house for the last 50 years. So it's an oil painting. I decided not to do it as a regular landscape, but more as a portrait to capture more of what was being pictured from a telephone. A telephone picture is what I had to work with. So what is that, a 2x3 or a 1.5x2? That was my picture, and I went by that. So this is my sister-in-law's backyard, and this is the tree stump where my brother-in-law remembers to go and feed the crabs that crawl along here. And so before his disease gets too advanced, I wanted to capture that. And that was, I hope that when people look at it, they remember what this side of the island looked like before all of the, what we call progress. So that's what I try to capture. My creative process is I try to paint things that give me a feeling of calm. I like the calm, and I love the beauty of where we live. I don't think there's any other place in the world that looks as beautiful as here where I grew up. And so if I go to another island, I look at those kind of things. My inspiration is I was never artistic in school. It took me getting out of school, having cancer, having lupus, having all the other things I had to find a God-given gift. And I think that is what happened. You know, they always say, as God closes one door, he opens another door. I feel this is truly what happened to me. And the teachers here take the gifts that you have, and they help you run with it. And so it's really great. I have Peter Shepard Cole, who's one of my art teachers here, and he also teaches at the Honolulu Academy of Arts. I have Joanna Lamb, and they are all qualified, more than qualified teachers to be here. And it's great for the West Side. We have so many Hawaiian students that are talented that they don't even know the talent that they have yet to uncover. And I hope that they take the opportunity to take it and go with it. Go with it, whether it's oil, acrylic, drawing, anything. Just pick it up and run, because there's so much beauty around you. Don't take it for granted.